Hello guys, I want to show you how to wipe out the text from this document, perhaps from any document, using just your mobile phone. Now, I want to remove this Dave Green, this date, time, everything here so that it will look empty like a template so that you can reuse it and add your own customized names and feed. Take note, this tutorial is for education purpose only. Now let's get started. You need to install Beauty Plus. It's Beauty Plus I want to use. Yes. Beauty Plus is not just for picture editing. You can also use it to edit documents. So let's start. Here is the image. Then go to edit. Then in my phone here, I can swipe to the right and see more. Then I want to edit with Beauty Plus. So click on it. Here is it now. So let's edit it. Go to edit. Then go to remover. Now touch AI remover. Then paint the um just paint the one you want to remove. Paint the ones you want to remove. Then you click instant remover. Nice. Now, as you can see, some removed well, while some did not, like all these ones here. Now, what we do now is to click on Classic and slide again like this. Gosh. All right, now you have removed everything. As you can see, the maps, the maps under them are still active. Yeah, they are still very, very clear. Now you can add your text to it. So let's mark it and click save. That is all.